Just as our health and well-being depends on vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and proteins, plants, of all types, need proper nutrients for healthy growth. Our soil test kits allow you to make sure that your soil has the proper and specific ratios of pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash, the 4 most important variables for healthy soil. We understand that not everyone is a botanist, and that's why each test contains detailed step-by-step instructions. Our kits utilize a proprietary capsule system that has been proven to deliver extremely accurate results. So whether you are using our digital or our analog kits, you can be sure that when your test is complete, you are viewing easy-to-read and accurate results. Easy to read because of our patented color comparison meters, and accurate because we offer the latest advancements in consumer soil testing, as seen with the 1605 model. Based in Chicago, we are proud that all of our soil test kits are designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA. Understanding the makeup of your soil is just the beginning. Our kits come with detailed information about how to balance your soil. Want plants to look like this? A garden like this? How about vegetables like these? Rapid Test Soil Kits are here to help.